Hello, and today we will learn how to add FAQ in your blog post on Blogger. So for this you have to switch to the HTML view and then copy the code that I have given you in my description box. So copy the code and then paste the code here. I will show you how to paste the code in your HTML view. So this is the HTML of your blog post. Remember to switch your post to the HTML view and then you have to copy the code and then you have to paste the code here. Note that you have to always paste the code after the closing tags. The tag which contains / is the closing tag. So paste the code after the last closing tag. After pasting the code, you can switch to the compose view and then you can see your FAQ questions. You can change your questions according to you and the answers. So if you click on this, so this is the benefit of my code that I have given you. This code is blogger friendly. When you click on your question, you can edit the question and also you can edit the answer of that question. Now let's learn how to add more questions in your FAQ. So copy the code as I have shown you on my screen and then paste the code after it. So after pasting the code you can see your next question in your FAQ. Let's change this to 4. This is a comment line, so this will not show on your blog post. This is a comment. So here you can see I have copied the third question. The third question is shown on my compose view. Let's change to the HTML view and remove this question. Remember, you don't have to copy the / div tag that is on the last of the code. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned with tips for you for more blogger tips and tricks.